Welcome to our video. The question we'll answer today is, why did I get a motion for summary judgment in my collection lawsuit? So you've been sued by a debt collector. Typically it's a company like Asset Acceptance, LVNV, Midland, Portfolio, Unifund, or some other company like that. They've sued you, and if you're getting a summary judgment, that's almost always when you're in circuit court. And we talk about this in other videos. We have small claims court, district court, circuit court's the highest court. So what does this mean? Well, what it means is that the debt collector is asking the judge to not allow the case to go to trial. So I said, well, that's kind of odd. Don't they want to get to trial? Well, no, they don't. They would rather file a motion, and a motion is just a written request for the judge. They'd rather file that motion and say, Judge, you don't have to have a trial. There's no reason to have a trial. It's so obvious that we, the debt collector, will win. You don't have to have a trial. And if the judge agrees, case is over. You lose. There's a judgment against you. It's a real judgment. So it's called a summary judgment, but that's just as real as a default judgment or a judgment after a trial. And so sometimes people say, well, I don't like this summary judgment stuff. I'm not going to respond. I'm just going to go to court, have my day in court, my trial. Well, if you don't respond, there won't be any trial. This is your day in court. And so if you get a summary judgment motion, treat it very, very seriously, because this is the debt collector taking a shot at you saying, I want to win this case right now with no further hearing on this, no trial on this. So you have to understand your deadline to answer, how you answer, what you put in your, I say answer, I mean your response to this motion for summary judgment. Do you need affidavits? Do you need discovery? What do you need? You have got to figure that out if you are facing a summary judgment motion. Now, obviously, if you have a lawyer that's representing you, that lawyer will help you with this. But if you are doing this on your own and you want some thoughts or you want our advice on this, just pick up the phone, call us, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through our website, alabamaconsumer.com. So I hope this is helpful in explaining why you're getting a summary judgment, what is a summary judgment, and if I've done nothing else in this video, I hope I've done this. Treat this very, very seriously, because if you're sued in circuit court, this might be $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, and they are trying to get a judgment against you. And so many people that handle this on their own, they look at this and go, I don't believe in this. Well, when you get the judgment and then you get the garnishment or they're selling your house, then it becomes very real. So don't let it get to that point. Respond appropriately, whether that's on your own, whether that's hiring a lawyer. And if we can help you, just give us a call, 205-879-2447. And I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.